How to set up virtual desktops in Windows 11. In Windows 11, virtual desktops are separate desktops that can be created to organize different types of applications. To create a new virtual desktop, hover the cursor over the task view icon in the taskbar and then select New Desktop. A new blank desktop opens. Hover the cursor over the task view icon to display all active virtual desktops. The first active desktop is now listed as Desktop 1, while the new desktop is listed as Desktop 2. To quickly navigate between desktops, on the keyboard, press the Windows key, the Control key, and the left or right arrow to flip back and forth. To rename a virtual desktop, right-click the thumbnail in the Task View menu and then select Rename. Renaming desktops can be helpful for labeling the purpose of each desktop. To change the background for a virtual desktop, right-click the thumbnail and select Choose Background. This takes you to the Personalization Settings menu where you can select new background images and effects. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.